Hi guys, welcome back. So today we'll cover another important topic. It's called Xpath. Okay. So you know that in our WebDriver there are different like locators are there. Okay. So using that locator only, we are just find out that element in the web page. Okay, and do the automation. Okay. So in our script, in every lines of code, we write that in XPath. Okay, or different locators. Okay. So yeah, so first we go to the XPath. Okay, so guys, before go to the today's topic, we just have a look onto that what we have already covered. Okay, so we already covered that what is the basic about Selenium WebDriver. Okay, basic overview about OOPS concept. Okay, what are the Java OOPS concept? Then yeah, real time example with interface, inheritance, class, object creation, method overloading, overriding, and static keywords. Okay, also cover that constructor in the last video. Okay, and just a brief knowledge in automation framework. Okay, so this is covered already covered here. So today we'll cover that XPath. Okay, XPath and different locators of in Selenium. Okay, so let's start, guys. Okay, so what is XPath? Okay, so XPath is a language or a syntax. Okay, for navigate or finding any element on the web page using XML expression. Okay, so if we go to any automate to any web page, web application. Okay, uh, we need XPath because we suppose there is like button is there, or any entry field is there, or any checkbox is there, or radio button is there, whatever means we are doing the activity in the web page. Okay, we need the XPath because we need one element. Okay, so for that we need to go to that particular navigation to write down the whatever the statement it will run. Okay, so there are two types of XPath. Okay, the first one is absolute XPath. Okay, absolute XPath. Okay, then another one is relative XPath. Okay, relative XPath. So first we go for the absolute XPath. Okay, so yeah, so absolute XPath, guys, we just start with that single slash. Okay, start with the single slash. Okay, and yeah, actually in this type of XPath, we just traversing from the from the parent to child. Okay, suppose I just giving example with the one application. Okay, suppose we have this application. Okay, and just for that to find out the XPath, guys, we need to go to the our web page. Okay, and right click, then inspect. Okay, so here you can see there are lots in this particular like your in our XML code. Okay, XML and HTML code, you can see that the parent is the HTML. Okay, then head, t body. Okay, so this is the parent, then these are the child. Okay, to write the XPath in absolute. Okay, we need to traverse from parent to child. Okay, so using the single slash only, we write the absolute XPath. Okay, but there is risk, one risk, guys. Okay, because if that if there is any changes made in our path, okay, of the element, then the XPath get fails. Okay, suppose here. Okay, in the development side, the dev team what can do, they add another div. Okay, another div here. Okay, so if you write our like, suppose I'm writing here. Okay, slash t body. Okay, then div. Okay, then another div. Okay, So if there is any changes made, okay, so suppose after div one more div or any other element is added, okay, so then the XPath get failed here. Okay, there are high chances to, because every time a new build is added by the development team. Okay, so there are high chance to add a new like whatever tag or any new element will be added. So there is high risk to fail the XPath through that absolute XPath. Okay, so better we go with the relative XPath. Okay, the relative XPath is start with double slash. Okay, it starts with double slash. Okay, so the syntax is like double slash, then tag name. Okay, then square bracket, then attribute at the rate attribute, attribute, then equal to, within single quote the value will be there. Okay, so this is the simple syntax for, okay, our relative XPath. Okay, so I just give the one real-time exercise here. Okay, suppose I need to find out that this particular username. Okay, username in our XPath. Okay, so knew that after we just traverse onto that particular entry field, we can see it's highlighted. Okay, see, it's highlighted. Okay, so you can see that tag name is input, then our attribute, there are so many attributes are there, we can take like ID or name. Okay, so lots of attributes are there. So we go for the relative XPath and the syntax is double slash, then tag name. Okay, so the tag name is what? Input. So we're writing input here. Okay, then within the square bracket we write at the rate, suppose I am taking here name. Okay, name, so the attribute name will be name. Okay, then the value will be with the double quote. You can use double quote or single quote, guys, but while we are writing the code, double quote is already there. Okay, so better we take the single quote. Okay, see, now it's showing one of one. Okay, sometimes what happens, guys, suppose we are taking any class. Okay, so there are multiple class, then we have to go for the index. Okay, so now it's showing one of one, that means it's that's using the name, the only one element is there. Okay, it's highlighting also when you just select on it and click the enter, it's highlighting. Okay, then we have to sure that yeah, our XPath whatever we have written is correct. Okay, then we can take this XPath. Okay, so this is our real-time XPath, guys. Okay, so this way we are writing our relative XPath. So there are so many way. Okay, so yeah, this is one locator, guys, with the name. Okay, so now we are going to, we have covered that types of XPath. Okay, what is XPath? Now we are going for the locators, guys. Okay, so normally we have like lots of locators are there, guys, but we have some like 6 most usable locators. Okay, so what are those? ID. Okay, ID is there. Okay, then class name. Okay, then name. Okay, then link text. Okay, then XPath that we have just covered. Okay, then CSS path. Okay, so these are the most usable like locators guide. Okay, using this only we are writing that our whatever XPath we have covered. Okay, so these are the main syntax, guy, common syntax, because when we are go for the scripting, writing a script in Selenium, okay, we definitely go for this whatever XPath we have. Okay, so just practice yourself, guys, because every you need to now know, just try to find out the elements. Okay, means the locators. Okay, using the XPath only. Suppose now here I'm just giving one more example, guys. Suppose I'm finding the XPath of this login button. Okay, so now you can see when I'm highlighting it, the tag name is input. Okay, and here the name is login button. Okay, so I just do a normal change here. I know this normally the tag name will be button in every for the button. Okay, in our XML or HTML file, but here the input is there, so you can just change it to from username to button. Okay, so now see it's highlighted. Okay, so there are n number of way, guys, to just find this locators in our web page. Okay, so if once you getting practice on it, you can you can find different numbers of way. Like in the critical situation there are siblings like not means lots of methods are there. Okay, so to find out. Okay, so just practice yourself, guys. You can just find out. Okay, more ways to find the locator. Okay, so practice yourself, guys. So in the next topic we'll just go to the deep of that in the Selenium. Okay, so yeah, keep learning, guys. Okay, and if you any doubt, just do the comment. And for the next updates, so just subscribe the our channel, guys. Okay, thank you so much.